Hello everyone, I'm Abraham, and you found your way to Smart Skill Studio, where curiosity meets knowledge. I'm here to be your host and mentor as we dive into the fascinating world of learning. Join me on this educational journey, where we'll explore a wide range of topics and uncover valuable insights together. I'm excited to share my passion for learning with you, so let's embark on this enriching adventure. Our topic: Gmail tips and tricks for efficient email management. Here are some useful Gmail tips and tricks to help you manage your emails more efficiently. 1. Use labels and filters. Labels organize your emails by applying labels. Labels are similar to folders but more flexible since you can apply multiple labels to a single email. Filters set up filters to automatically label, archive, delete, star, or forward emails based on specific criteria. For example, sender, keywords. 2. Keyboard shortcuts. Enable keyboard shortcuts in Gmail settings and learn common shortcuts like C. Compose new email, E. Archive email, Shift+3, delete email, R. Reply to email, A. Reply all, F. Forward email, G+I. Go to inbox. 3. Search operators. Use search operators to quickly find emails. Some examples from example@example.com. Emails from a specific sender. Subject: meeting. Emails with double quotes. Meeting double quotes. In the subject has attachment. Emails with attachments. Before 2:00 to 3:01:01. Emails sent before January 12, 2023. 4. Priority inbox. Enable priority inbox to automatically categorize your emails into sections like important and unread, starred, and everything else. 5. Snooze emails. Snooze emails to temporarily remove them from your inbox and have them reappear at a more convenient time. 6. Use tasks and keep. Add emails to Google Tasks or Google Keep to manage your to-dos and notes directly from Gmail. 7. Unsubscribe from unwanted emails. Use the unsubscribe link at the bottom of newsletters and promotional emails to reduce inbox clutter. 8. Canned responses templates. Use Gmail's templates feature to save and reuse common email responses. This can be enabled in the advanced section of Gmail settings. 9. Mute conversations. Mute long email threads to stop receiving notifications without deleting the conversation. 10. Schedule send. Schedule emails to be sent at a later time, which is useful for timing your communication effectively. 11. Multiple inboxes. Set up multiple inboxes to view emails from different accounts or with different labels in a single view. 12. Confidential mode. Send sensitive information with confidential mode, which lets you set an expiration date for the email and requires a passcode to open. 13. Delegated access. Grant delegated access to your Gmail account to allow others, for example, an assistant, to manage your emails without sharing your password. 14. Email aliases. Use email aliases by adding a plus sign and a keyword to your Gmail address, for example, your name plus newsletter@gmail.com, to filter and organize emails easily. 15. Undo send. Enable undo send in Gmail settings to recall an email within a few seconds of sending it, allowing you to fix mistakes. 16. Quick action buttons. Utilize quick action buttons that appear in the inbox for common actions like responding to events or rating products without opening the email. By incorporating these tips and tricks, you can significantly improve your email management efficiency and maintain a more organized inbox. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.